The government is now using a law that was initially designed to battle the mafia in a whole variety of situations that one would have never imagined when this law was first enacted. And that's the RICO law, Racketeering Influence Corrupt Organizations. When this law was enacted, it was designed to crush the mafia, to treat the mafia as a criminal enterprise that was engaging in a pattern of racketeering activity. And this enabled the government to go after a whole crime family rather than individual indictments against individual persons for various crimes of murder, extortion, drug dealing, prostitution, gambling, etc. Instead, they called the whole crime family the enterprise, and then they labeled all these various activities of the crime enterprise of murder, prostitution, extortion, kidnapping, drug dealing, etc. as a pattern of racketeering activity, and then they could go after the whole organization at once. And as a matter of fact, it was very successful, and a major dent has been made in the mafia. But now the law, which is still on the books, is being used in a variety of situations far from mafia. For example, there have been several cases lately where the government is going after street gangs using the RICO statute. And what they are doing is they're claiming a certain gang, be it the Aryan Brotherhood, the Texas Syndicate, Crips, whatever gang that they are after. They are calling that a criminal enterprise and indicting all of the various gang members. And what that does is it can make various gang members responsible for the crimes of the entire gang or enterprise. And so it ups the ante a lot on the criminal penalties in these cases, and is also an effective tool against going after not just mafia organizations, but street gangs. Recently, I've been involved in a case where I've seen it used for the first time in alien smuggling. That is, that the government has gone after a enterprise or a business that was an employment agency, and they are calling that the RICO enterprise, and they are calling all the people that work for it, the drivers that transported illegal aliens, etc., as being part of that enterprise and trying to hold them responsible for the acts of the entire enterprise. So the RICO statute has been expanded greatly to reach a variety of crimes that were never envisioned when the statute was first enacted.